How to connect phone hotspot to TV. So first of all, on your mobile device, open Settings. Now, from Settings, tap on Connections. From Connections, you'll see Mobile Hotspot and Tethering. Select on it. From here, make sure that the toggle for Mobile Hotspot has been turned on. Now, after that, on your TV, go to Settings. Then go to All Settings. From here, go to Connections. Now go to Network. From here, select Network Settings. Then select on Wireless. Now, from here, if you see your mobile device, select on it in order to connect hotspot to TV. Now, over here, make sure that you enter the password you have set for your mobile hotspot. Now, select on Done once the password has been entered. So with that, you will successfully be able to connect phone hotspot to your TV. So that's it for today's video, and at last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.